wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best culinary textbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, On Cooking has been providing a wealth of information to those in the culinary arts for almost 2 decades. It uses a proven approach to teaching both the principles and practices of fundamentals, with guidance for propelling you into a meaningful career. This one's commonly used in bootcamp courses and includes classic French techniques. However, there's minimal coverage of any business aspects. At number 9, count on Math for the Professional Kitchen to help you run a profitable business. It offers crucial information for keeping you in the game, including costing ingredients, setting menu prices, scaling recipes, and converting units of measure. It includes various practice worksheets and was written by a veteran math instructor, but it's not very focused on technique. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Fundamental Techniques of Classic Cuisine is an essential one for anyone wanting to hone their skills. It has useful hints and tips from long-time instructors to help you on your way to mastery, but the illustrations aren't always explicitly explained. It covers simple and complex knife cuts using clear and concise instructions. However, it doesn't have a ton of recipes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for culinary textbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Professional Cooking by best-selling author Wayne Gislin offers readers a complete description of how to function like a professional. It covers a myriad of topics, including culinary history, food safety, and dietary practice. It also explains basic baking methods and is used in quite a lot of schools, but it's a bit too heavy to carry around. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking for a go-to reference book, Larousse Gastronomique is your answer. It's a captivating read for anyone who loves food and features more than 400 candid photos that gives you access to the kitchens of upscale restaurants. It includes biographies of 12 inspiring figures, along with a very comprehensive index, and it comes in at a relatively moderate price too. Halfway up our list at number 5. Introduction to Culinary Arts provides a solid foundation from theory to application. It gives every aspiring chef the knowledge and skills they can apply throughout their career, whether they choose the savory or pastry route. It touches on management and business and discusses nutrition and food science too. It's great for learning the fundamentals. At number 4, no one can memorize all the different components that taste good together, which is why you'll find the Flavor Bible on the shelves of many accomplished chefs around the world. It's an exceptional reference that'll serve you well throughout your career. It helps demystify exotic combinations and covers a huge list of ingredients. It aids in creativity and improvisation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, published by the CIA. No, not that one. The Professional Chef is a must-have for anyone serious about food. It's a great resource for those in the business and curious amateurs, thanks to simple step-by-step instructions and beautiful photography. It features dishes from around the world, essential nutritional information, and both modern and classic techniques. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for culinary textbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if a single volume could be considered the Bible of all cooking, Escoffier, Le Guide Culinaire would very likely be it. First published over 100 years ago, it holds a revered place in many cooks' libraries to this day and lays the foundation for true haute cuisine. This is a completely unabridged translation, with a foreword by a Michelin-starred chef. It contains in-depth coverage of French methods. And taking the top spot on our list, required reading and a standard fixture at any institution worth its salt, no pun intended, on food and cooking is so ubiquitous that among professionals it's generally referred to as simply McGee, the name of its highly renowned author. It covers scientific processes in depth and is a must-own selection for all chefs. It makes a lifelong useful reference. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for culinary textbooks, or simply click beneath this video.